Today, a family will fulfill their dream of owning their first home. A student will learn to manage her own finances. And new parents will start investing in their child's future. Headquartered in Singapore, OCBC is ranked by Bloomberg as the world's strongest bank with an extensive global network of over 500 branches. Their relentless focus on meeting the unique needs of each customer has driven OCBC to transform the banking experience.
Account opening is a real moment of truth in someone's banking relationship. We think if we get that right, then that earns us the right to do more business with that customer in the future.
There were up to 150 different tasks to perform to get a simple bank account open. And essentially, these were impediments to ever creating a real connection with the customer during that first interaction.
OCBC transformed the way they engage with their customers by building a new platform they call Roam, Relationship Opening Made Easy.
We've taken these 150 tasks and we've embedded it all into the system. So attention is turned to the customer's needs rather than completing tasks.
We wanted a system that was so easy to use that a staff member could join the bank and on their first day, with no training, be able to open an account.
Roam provides a unique shared experience between the personal financial consultant, PFC, and the customer.
In the past, the computer sat between the clients and the advisor. Right now, we sit alongside, sharing the entire screen together.
We have the ultimate in transparency. No other bank in the world does this.
By exploring the needs of the customer, the engagement level with the customer increases.
Roam was designed and developed in Pega's collaborative DCO technology.
What Pega gave us was agility and responsiveness. It allowed us to very quickly build and trial new processes, bringing staff and customers in to experience them, and then we could refine almost on the fly.
The forefront of creating customer experience is to make it truly integrated across channels. And Roam's giving us that opportunity in a way that's seamless for the customer.
OCBC's transformation initiative has had an incredible impact.
Since we've implemented Roam, the customer experience has changed dramatically, and so has the staff experience.
I think the PFCs are feeding back that they love the system. They no longer have to toggle between multiple different applications. They now have a system that empowers them and enables them to better engage the customer. Previously, we'd spend the time filling in forms and asking them questions. Now we spend the time engaging with the customer, listening to them, understanding their needs.
Before Roam, we did mystery shopping to gauge customer satisfaction, and frankly we were very close to bottom of the pack. After Roam, we've now moved to clear leader and we're about 40% above our competitors in customer satisfaction. Over the course of the last 12 months, we've definitely seen our Net Promoter Score ticking upwards.
They go back and share with their friends and relatives or even their fellow colleagues in the office, and that's where they start bringing more customers to us.
I think what we're doing now is we're establishing relationships with new customers on the right footing.
OCBC is focused on continuously improving how they serve each and every customer. Whether it's helping a family buy a home, building a lifelong financial relationship, or creating opportunities for the next generation, Pega is helping OCBC better serve their customers. Our world is constantly changing. Only Pega lets you build for change.